Okay, guys, got an old push mower here, and actually this is one we use, and this thing should be about out of gas, I hope. I took and put some gas in this jug here, and I'm trying to intentionally. She's just about out of gas, so that's cool. So I'm going to go ahead and run this thing out of gas, and I'm going to put something in it that it'll run off of. It's not alcohol, it's not two-stroke gas, it's not diesel. Of course, you know, lawnmower ain't going to run off diesel. Kerosene. It's something that right now you guys probably thinking, I wonder what it is. Years ago, I had learned this deal on my own, and I run a lawnmower out of gas, and I wasn't supposed to be on it, so I didn't know how to get it back to where it was supposed to be, and it was so big that I couldn't push it by myself. And I ended up going up to the house and finding this stuff and dumped it in the gas tank, and lo and behold, it started up. Now, how potent it is today compared to back then, we'll find out, I guess. So, yeah, remember this was back when I was probably 8, 9 years old. So, and it's been quite some time ago. So, anyways, let's get this thing out of gas and this video made. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. There we go. Finally. Been waiting for 20 minutes for this. So, what I'm going to put in there is some charcoal fluid. This bottle hasn't been opened. I don't know if they make a seal. Nope. Son of a bitch. Well, if you guys watch this video and you don't believe me, go get a bottle and try it yourself. It's a new bottle. I took the label off of it just because you don't know if a video is going to go viral and or just be a dud like most of mine are. So, by the way, got the camera on a different setting and maybe hope to improve the quality of the camera, or the quality of the video. So, get this. I just got a piece of wood I'm using. This is lighter fluid. There is gas in this jug. The gas that I took out of the mower. I'll sit that behind there. And I really don't want to ruin this engine. So I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off. Whew. Fucking don't really fucking smell. Not how much more smell to it. Okay. Well, it's got a lot more in there than what I wanted to put in there. But like I said, I don't know how this is going to run. It's been over 20 years since I've tried this, or if it's even going to run at all. So, stuff sure is clear and expensive too. God, I wouldn't want to. I was going to say, God, I hope I didn't hit the pause button. Okay. will she run? Hit the primer 3 times. I don't know, like I said, guys, it's been a long time since I've done this, so. Like a grill, to be honest with you guys, when the first light went on. I don't want to blow the motor up some. Well, does it run on, will it run on charcoal fluid? You guys seen it. And if you don't believe me, go buy you a bottle and put it in your mower, and it smells like charcoal. I mean, it smells like a grill. You know, I suppose it would, you know. But anyways, thanks for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care.